Hello,
Hello, Anyong.
Annyeong.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Where, yeah, where are you from?
I'm from the Philippines. Where are you from?
Oh, Spanish.
Sorry?
Where are you from?
I'm from the Philippines. Philippines?
Pardon?
Philippines.
Polo Beach.
Philippines. Philippines.
Philippines. Oh, sorry. Yeah, I'm from South Korea. Hello.
Hi.
Nice to meet you. Yeah.
Nice to meet you too.
Yes. Oh, you can speak English well.
Thank you. I've been studying. You too.
Studying.
Yeah, you're good.
Oh, thank you. Yes.
What do you do for a living?
Me?
Yeah.
What?
What do you normally do? What's your job? Where do you work?
My job is now distribution business.
Sorry? Come again?
Distribution business.
Ate, ano yun?
Seems like buy something Amazon or store. Yeah, I'm seller. Yeah.
Oh, same.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
You sell in Amazon like this?
No, in TikTok.
In TikTok. Oh, really?
Yeah, and other sites, but I'm not able to say it here because it's
Mm.
I may get banned here. I'm not allowed to say those
Oh,
sites. Yeah.
yeah, really good. Yes. Oh, thank you, everyone. Hi, everyone. Kalia, hello.
Yeah, I think they like you. What's the name? I'm sorry, come again. Clea.
Well, thank you. Well, thank you. Thank you, Rose.
Do you sing? Sing.
No. I can't
Do you dance? No.
dance. Wait a bit. You can dance? Oh. And sing? Oh, little bit. Okay, good.
Yeah, everything little bit. But
Okay. Kalia, thank you so much. Thank you, Finger Heart. Thank you so much. Yes.
I think they like you here at the comment section.
Yeah, I mean, to my family said, "Oh, he's really handsome.
Thank you.
His smile really, oh, really gorgeous like this."
Actually, they were telling me that they are going to check out on your business.
Okay, yeah.
They want to check out your
My business?
yes, they want to.
Only Korean. Yes, sorry. It's Korean store. Yeah,
Oh,
Korean page. How can I say? Hard to explain. Yeah.
basta kapag nabawasan yung viewers ko after nito, alam niyo na huwag na kayong bumalik. Ha. Ayan.
Claire, thank you so much. Thank you, Joy. Thank you, Rose. So really? Oh.
Have you been here?
Oh, really? I want to go there. Philippines. It's beautiful ocean, right?
Yes. But it's hot here.
Yes. I like it. I love beach, some beach, ocean.
How about there? What's the weather there?
Spring, almost spring. Yeah.
Is it cold?
Yes, little bit. Yeah, a little bit cold, but it's okay.
It's
I
always
think-
hot in here, so it's always
Yeah.
hard to go somewhere cold.
Philippines is hot, right?
Yeah, always.
Always. Winter is still hot.
Yeah. It's around like 28.
28. Oh, really? Okay. If I go there, then I have to bring shirts. Yeah.
Don't bring anything if you go here. 'Cause most,
Just body, only my body.
yes, just the body.
Yes.
Huwag mo lang ipakita sa kalat, baka mayari ako. Hi kay Aldex. Hi, thank you so much.
Thank you for you.
They're
Thank
wearing
you.
braces. They like you. They're just, ano yung sasabihin?
I go. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you for tapping. Yes.
They told me here that you look Park Seo-joon.
Oh, Briggs, you're really popular, right?
No, I'm just a normal guy here.
Oh, really? I don't think so. Thank you so much, Briggs.
Thank you so much. Bye bye.
Thank you so much. Bye bye. Thank you.
Bye bye. Bumalik dito ah. Dada, sumilip lang po ako, promise. Hello. Hi. Lag ba siya?
Hello.
Hello. Where are you from?
Live. Hello, hello.
Hi.
I'm Chinese, but I grew up in UK. Where are you from? Hi.
I'm from the Philippines.
Can you hear me?
I'm from the Philippines.
Philippines. Okay, you
Yeah.
have a lot of. Okay.
Do you wanna?
Laggy a little bit, but it's not too bad. Okay, we can do a match.
Yeah, sure. What time is it on your end?
It's 4:23
In
p.m.
the afternoon? 4:20.
Yeah, afternoon.
Because here it's just it's around 11:23 in the evening. Like it's almost midnight.
What content do you make? You have a lot of people in your life.
I sell stuff. No, I'm
Sell
just
stuff.
yeah. I just sell stuff. Nothing particular. Just do everything here and there. You.
Okay.
What content do you make?
What content do I make? I just make random content that I attempt to go over. I mean, I make all types of content, like gym, rapping, but everything. What do you sell then?
I sell clothes or whatever they ask me to sell. I sell them.
Anything, okay.
Anything.
I saw Pokemon cards and Yu-Gi-Oh cards, but I don't think last few years it's been easy. He's famous. They're famous. In Philippines, or just social media fame.
No, I'm just no one here. I'm just trying to do live.
Yeah, okay, I get it. I understand. Brand ambassador.
Oh, you don't have work today?
No, I've done. Wow, I'm also applying for new jobs, but like I've been doing TikTok since 2020, so I'm trying to find new work. I do a lot of random stuff though, like tutoring as well.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's good. Okay. Dance videos?
Oh, you do dance video?
No. Someone says you have good dance videos.
No, I'm just do random stuff. This is just my dump account.
Oh, you have another one?
Yeah,
Another account?
I just do live here randomly. I can't use my original account. It's for work.
Okay, you can't use. Okay, the original one.
Yeah. You have a deep
Yeah.
voice. Your voice is kind of deep.
I do have a deep voice. Yeah, I sometimes try to do that on content, but it doesn't get any views. Like, yeah. You're a singer? They said.
I sing.
Yeah.
How do you know that?
No, they're right. Your fans are writing it. So
They told me that if you have deep voice in English, you have different voice on another language. Can I hear you speak Chinese?
I can speak Chinese. Yeah, 你好，你听得懂我讲话吗? I think it sounds deep in Chinese too. Like maybe.
Oh.
I don't know.
Because I don't think I sound the same way if I speak in my local language. My voice in English is kind of high pitched.
What do you sound like in your local language then?
Hindi ko lang. Kasi kapag nagtatagalog ako, trip-trip lang ganyan.
I think it still sounds like you, but I don't know if language changes your personality or maybe humor. I don't know. I'm not sure about it. I think I'm more funny in English than I am in Chinese, though, because given that I grew up in England mostly.
Also, you're more comfortable speaking in English.
Yeah, for sure. I've definitely more hours spent speaking and reading English than Chinese.
Do you have lots of friends there? You're in UK right now, right?
I'm in UK, yeah. Yeah. Been in UK for over 20 years, so.
Are they nice?
In UK?
Yeah.
Depends on the person. I mean, I think, yeah, it depends on the person. Some people are nice, some people are not, but it depends.
Because here, everybody's always smiling.
Smiling?
Yeah, almost everyone.
Yeah. Well, I think in UK, well, it's hard to say. Like, a lot of people complain about the weather here.
Is it cold there?
It's sunny right now, but normally it's not sunny. So
It's always hot in here.
hot
Yeah,
in Philippines.
around 28, 29 degrees.
28 degrees is quite hot. Yeah, it's very hot. Oh. Oh.
Oh, they
Thank you,
won.
MVP Claire. Yeah, I'm surprised. Thank you, MVP Claire.
Thank you so much. Bye bye.
Okay, I'll give you. Okay, bye 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 bye
Bye.
bye bye bye.
Sinong nawala? Sinong nawala? Actually, kaya ko rin naman yung malalim na boses eh. Ngayon, kung gusto niyo ng malalim na boses, pwede ko naman kayong pagbigyan. Diba gusto niyo yung malalim yung boses? Kaya ko naman yun eh. Okay ba tayo dun? Yung ganyan. Kasi diba parang gusto niyo malalim yung boses. Salamat! Uy! Kailangan pala malalim yung boses. Akala ko pa naman, pogi kapag hindi. Ay, kay Pillow Bear, thank you so much. Nakakatuwa naman yung dami natin nakikilala dito. Chill. Hi, Al Dexter. Bedroom voice da. Ayaw ko. Kasi hindi siya likable. Celestial. Hi, Marcy. Sapat na yung boses mo. Ay, nilalandi mo ako. Hiya. Late po ako, Dada. Hello. Hi. Hi.
What's up?
What's up? Where are you from?
I'm from the best country in this world. Where are you from?
I'm from the... It's also the best country in this world, so I don't know. I like your hair. It's
where
red.
is that?
I'm from
Thank you. Where?
I'm from the Philippines. Where are you from?
I'm from Ghana.
Ghana.
Yeah.
Where are you going?
I'm waiting for my boss.
Oh, you're going somewhere. Okay. I like your hair. It's red.
But thank you. Do you like red things?
Yeah.
Is red your favorite color?
No, really. Just the hair.
Oh, thank you. What do you do on your life? What do you do on TikTok?
I just do random stuff like sing, dance, everything. You name it.
Oh, you are a dancer.
Not really. I'm just trying to dance, but I'm not good at it.
Okay. That's.
What do you do in TikTok?
You said what? Huh?
What do you do in TikTok? Do you sing? Do you dance?
A lot. I sing, I dance,
Can we hear?
I act.
Oh, you act. That's nice.
No, you first. Yeah.
You want me to sing?
Yeah.
Do you have a request?
No, not really. Any song, it's fine.
I think I should sing something that you know. Do you have any song in mind? So you'd understand what I'm trying to say?
The kind of song that I want you to sing, you cannot sing because that's Ghanaian song.
Oh. Any English song that you know?
Mani Walaka. Yeah.
That's my song. It's impossible for you to understand it, so I'm not gonna sing that.
Okay. Do it.
No. No, it's okay. I'm just gonna sing an English song instead, because you won't understand that.
Okay. Alright, sure.
I don't know what to sing. Oh, you dance. This says here that you dance.
Yeah.
I think I have to go because, I really don't know what to do here anymore. You have a great day. Bye.
Okay, sure. Alright.
Bakit na kay Doc Roy pa din kayo? Kilala niya si Perlas. Paano mo naman naisip na kilala niya si Perlas, be? Chill. Naalala mo yung red hair? Bakit? Kaninong manok yun? Hindi ko alam, be. Hi, Clea! Hi kay Raz! I miss you, Raz. Mahilig kami sa Opa Dad. Ayaw niyo sa Pinoy? Ayaw mo sa Pinoy, sure ka? Sure ka ayaw mo sa Pinoy, be? Sure na yan? Sure na? Char, joke lang. Joke lang! Kayo naman. Ayokong sumagot eh. Baka pag sinagot ko, mablock. Wala akong gustong face na lalaki. Hindi ko na makikita yung sa following ko. Siyempre mukha ko na lang. Mukha ko dapat. Ay, si Roy hindi. Si Roy okay siya sa akin, pero hindi kasi ako mahilig sa ano. Ang gusto ko kasi, ipilit ko. Alam mo, huwag nating sagutin kasi mahirap na. Humanap ng iba, gustong gusto kita. Safety first. Hoy! Wag na. Apa sa pa? Kay Doc Roy lang ako. Go! Doon ka na kay Doc Roy. Hi kay Engineer Norms. Thank you so much.
Hello.
Hello. Hi. Annyeonghaseyo.
안녕하세요.
Nagkakaroon ako ng kasalanan dito. Ano? The internet is lagging. Can you see me? Hello? Yung iba, ano yun eh, hindi ganong threat yun eh. Yung ito, yari tayo dito eh. Sabi ko sa'yo talaga eh. Wait lang. Oh, naglag kanina. Naglag. Lag lang. Naglag kanina be? Naglag. Nagpaiwan po si Asmir. Ho! Grabe! Yung mga nagpaiwan dyan. Yung mga nagpapaiwan sila. Uy! Like for example, dati nga po, ganito ganyan. Tapos mas juicy, mas maganda. Parang ano, yung kwento. Bakit? Nahiya. Wala man pumapasok. Wala pumapasok. Sige, balikan natin yan kapag meron na nag-comment later. Ba't wala si C? Hindi ko din alam, B. Feeling ko I'm not feeling well. Dadala na akong kakampi. Okay lang yan. Hindi mo naman kailangan ng kakampi. Kasi kapag maharap ka ng problem, hindi naman yan by group. Ito ha, kasi yung iba, like for example, meron kayong problema sa buhay. Kayo, nagsabi, wala na akong kakampi, ganyan-ganyan. Ate, ganun talaga. Pag haharap ka ng problema, ikaw talaga mag-isa yan. Di una sa lahat, hindi naman by group ang ginagawa ni Lord. Kapag binigyan ka ng problema, ikaw lang mag-isang binigyan. Hindi naman yan katulad sa classroom na divide yourself into 5, tapos may problem kayong isosolve. Siyempre, hindi yan ganun. Pag medyo tumanda-tanda na tayo, kanya-kanya na tayo ng problema. Tandaan mo, pati anino mo, iniiwan ka. Problema pa kaya? Ay, kay Julie, thank you so much. Dayo recognition ko bukas. Maaga nga, be. Ay, Venus, Tomo. Pero alam nyo guys, kapag merong mga problema yung mga tao, tapos alam nyo may problema sila, alam nyo kung anong pinakamagandang gawin, huwag nyo dagdagan. Totoo. Na-realize ko lang, no? Kapag may problema sila, huwag nyo dagdagan, be. Problema na nila, meron na eh. Dadagdagan mo pa. I miss you. I miss you, da. Thank you so much. Grabe naman yung pagka-miss niyo sa akin. Dada Penging, congratulations. Congrats, be. Hi, Pami. Hi, Coffee. Thank you po. I love you all so much. Guys, baka mag-end live na ako ng 12. Kasi naantok na ako eh. Bakit pa? Hello po.
Ayan. Nagbabati. Ay. Tara, laro. Naglalaro ka ba?
Ano pong lalaroin?
Kahit ano. Hindi, battle sa TikTok.
Gabi na, sir, ba't maglalaro ka pa? Hindi, joke lang. Tara sa match ko.
Sige, match lang tayo.
Ayan. Tito ko yan, sabi ni Ju. Tito ka daw nila dito, sir.
Ano,
Ang pangalan niya ay Tito Drin.
Tito Drin na po yung name ko.
Tibok. Guys, nakanta ko na po yun.
Nakanta niya na pala, ba't papakantahin niyo pa?
Sino pong kakanta? Kumakanta. Sample naman dyan, Bricks.
Hindi ako kumakanta, sir.
Ay, hindi ba kumakanta?
Hindi.
Times 3, guys. Ay, wala palang tao dito. Sana magka-viewer din ako.
Boss Drin, kumakanta ka ba?
Kumakanta-kanta lang pero hindi maganda yung boses.
Okay lang yan. Lahat naman tayo di maganda yung boses eh.
Hello po. Oo nga eh.
Kahit tayo, boses lang ang hindi maganda sa atin. Yung iba, ugali.
Okay na yung hindi maganda yung boses kaysa yung ugali yung hindi maganda, di ba?
Totoo.
Marami po siyang songs. Ay, marami ka daw songs, oh. Dada namin yan. Ay, ikaw pala yung daddy daw. Ikaw yung daddy.
Inagaw niya ba? Hindi naman.
Ayan. And then, pumupunta na dito yung mga viewers. Hello po sa mga viewers ni Bricks. Wala po akong viewer. Okay lang po ba?
Sir, taga saan ka, sir?
Taga Paranaque.
Anong ginagawa mo sa buhay, sir?
Ito, ganito lang. Hindi.
Nagbibenta ka pala, sir?
Live stream, nagko-content din. Content.
Nagla-live selling ka, sir?
Sa affiliate ako, madalas.
Sir, affiliate mo naman ako, sir.
Oo nga. Ilan ba? Grabe nga yung sold mo. Nakita ko. Ilan, 14,000. Sa akin, ilan ba yun?
19,000 nga sa'yo, sir.
Noong nakaraan, na yan parang 900 na yan nakita ko last time
Sir, dump account ko to, sir.
Dump account pala to. Nawala ka lang noong nakaraan, maglalaro sana tayo.
Ang lalaroin, sir? Sir, gabi na, sir.
Masarap maglaro pag gabi.
Bago matulog, sir, mamaya.
Bago matulog.
Oo. Huwag na yun, sir, kasi nagla-live ba, sir, eh?
Sige. Ayan, guys. Sa mga gusto pong maglaro tuwing gabi, guys. Ayun po ang pinakamasarap na laro sa gabi, guys. Bago matulog.
Yes. Sir, i-affiliate mo naman ako, sir.
Ano ba yung product mo? Sige. May free sample ba yan?
Meron naman, sir. Taga saan ka ba, sir? Di ba Paranaque ka, sir?
Paranaque lang.
Hoodie, sir, tsaka sound, sir.
Ano bang, pag mga 6 flat ba yung height, anong size?
Pag 6 flat, sir, binablock ko yan, sir, eh.
Ala?
Sadong matangkad, sir.
Ano pa sa mga napasok? Pasensya ba di ba nababasa yung comment? Thank you, Trixie.
Binablock ko yung mga 6 flat, sir, eh. Kasi masyadong matangkad, nakakapikon.
Ala? Hindi, wag niya ibablock, guys. Minsan ayoko na maging 6 flat, eh. Gusto ko na lang lumubog.
6 flat ka, sir?
Oo, 6 flat.
Kaya palang sama ng loob ko sa'yo, sir. Matangkad talaga, sir. Dapat yung height ko talaga. Matangkad ako, kinuha mo lang, eh.
Oo nga, bibigay ko na nga lang sana sa inyo, eh.
Bigay mo nga, sir, sa akin.
Yung last time yung vlog nyo, nagpunta kayo ng Dubai. Dubai, di ba? Tama ba?
Yes, sir. Nakauwi naman na kami, sir.
Mabuti nakauwi kayo.
Salamat, sir. Thank you sa gabay, sir.
Kaya na, Hello, guys. Salamat po. Iba't ako nagkaroon ng 67 viewers.
Ayan sila. Ano yan, eh? Basher yan, sir.
Basher ba ito mga to? Oy, guys, huwag po kayo mabash dito, Sino si Chan? Ayun, guys, baka masupport nyo din ako sa campaign ko, guys.
Anong campaign? Anong campaign mo, sir?
Ito yung expedition dito sa TikTok. Ayun, top 4 tayo, guys, ngayon. Ikaw, kasali ka dito, Bricks?
Hindi ko alam yan, sir, eh.
And then, siguro nasa ka, Legends ka.
Hindi ko alam yun, sir. Nananahimik lang ako dito, sir.
Parang ang bait-bait naman.
Nananahimik lang. Live lang ako, sir. Mga ganyan-ganyan, sir.
Pero padalan mo ako. Ano bang pwede mo padala sa akin? Pa-birthday mo na yun. Mag-birthday ako sa
Kailan, sir?
Ngayong April 11.
April 11. Saktong-sakto. Wala ako sa Pilipinas ng 11, sir.
Ang galing.
Hanggang kailan birthday mo, sir?
1 month kasi ako nagse-celebrate talaga pag
sakto, sir. Kasi ang balik ko, July na.
Anniversary ko naman dito sa live stream.
Actually, paulit-ulit ako nun.
Ayan, paalis ka ulit na? Sige. Sundan na lang pala kita.
Actually, sir, tawag dito? Hindi talaga na ako aalis.
Hindi ka na ba aalis? Sige, ipadala mo na lang.
Padala ko na lang, sir.
Padala mo lang.
Sir, di ba? Diyan. Yung pinakamalaki yung iyo.
Oo, pinakamalaki na to, eh.
Yan na yun.
Patanong po, sino si Chani? Sino Chani? Patanong. Sino si Chani? Sino daw si Chani?
Niingatan ko yun, sir.
Parang kilala ko si Chani.
Ito, sir. Laki kasi ng sir.
Si Chani. Kala ko Christian.
Hindi, Chani sir. Malaki kasi chan ko sir.
Ako din eh, malaki din to eh. Birthday ko sa April 15.
Parang
Happy
sir.
birthday, Joy! Advance happy birthday. Sige, maglaro-laro lang tayo. Okay lang ba sa'yo? Baka nakakaya na sa'yo.
Okay lang naman maglaro-laro sir.
Sige. Ayan guys, tara laro-laro tayo guys. Kamusta na pala yung
Yung ano sir?
yung Team Bardags?
Ano sir, marami silang mga trabaho sir, kaya hindi sila nakakapag-live. Busy sila sa mga buhay-buhay. Ako kasi tambay lang ako sir eh. Hi Clea.
Kasi mga tao ka na ata eh.
Hindi, tambay-tambay lang ako. Hindi nga ako busy kaya nakakapag-live ako. Sila kasi mayaman na yan sila. Kaya sila nag-live.
Ano?
Mayaman na sila lahat kaya di na sila nakapag-live.
At least ikaw, hindi ka busy pero alam ko mayaman ka,
Hindi lang sir, hampas lupa. Tinan mo, nanghihingi nga lang ako ng coins dito sir kasi para makakain ako bukas sir.
Grabe.
Salamat sir, Rose.
Di ba Master Gio, di ba sikat na yan kalaban natin? Tayo lang tayo dito, simpleng tao lang.
Wala, salamat Elisa sa Rose, salamat.
Grabe naman yung second account mo, Bricks, 100k na agad.
Ano yan, binili ko lahat followers.
Sana sa akin na lang yung binili mo, medyo,
Binili ko lang yung followers niyan, parang
Talaga ba? Jowa niya po si Chani. Si Chani, guys. Di ko kilala, sorry. Di kasi ako Dati parati talaga ako nanonood sa ni Love Team Bardagulan. Dati nanonood lang ako, ay nakaka-battle ko na yung napakasikat na Bricks.
Mayabang lang. Minsan kasi yung kayabangan ko nandito.
Minsan nasaan?
Oo, yung kayabangan ko nandito. Yung kasikatan ko nandyan. So hindi sila nagtutugma.
Mas mataas pa, no? Mas mataas pa. Grabe naman guys, 9 roses yung kailangan natin. Christian Martinez.
Para saan daw yung sir, yung roses? Ano bang gagawin?
Yung roses guys, kailangan natin yung makomplete. Yung speed challenge para mag times 2 lahat ng gifts. So kung na-complete natin yung 9 roses, pag may nag-send dyan ng 9 roses, yung gifts na isa-send magta times 2. Kunyari, may nag-send sa'yo ng 100, worth 100 na gifts, magta times 2 siya, 200, magiging 200 yung points mo dito sa may taas.
Oh, para saan yung points?
Yung points para lang sa battle yun na, kunyari, yung mga big battle. Pero pag yung normal game lang, di naman ganun ka,
Hindi ko maintindihan. Mahirap, kasi sir, hindi ako ganong matalino sa ganyan, hindi ko naintindihan.
Mga battle? G! G?
Sir, may pitik ka, no? Bigla-bigla ka nagsasalita.
Hindi, dumada kasi mga friend ko dito eh.
Sir, wala kang kaibigan, niloloko ka lang yan.
Oo, minsan lang. Yung mga kaibigan ko dito, lang talaga.
Hindi, sir, pinaplastic ka lang. Kilala ko yung mga yan, sir.
Guys, kung pinaplastic niya ba daw ako, magbagsak po kayo ng kahit
ano. Hindi nyo ako pinaplastic. Kainuman ko yung mga yan, sir. Pag wala ka, iba sinasabi.
Grabe.
Kilala ko yan.
Grabe naman pala yung mga friend ko. Sige na nga po, okay na po. Wala na pong
Sinisiraan ka niyan sa likod, sir.
Shout out sa... Ay, yun? Grabe. Hanggang oras ka nagla-live breaks?
Actually, normally iniiwasan kita eh. Pero since...
Iniiwasan pala?
Oo. Nagkatagpo. Bad trip.
Ayan, at least nabutan mo ako. Luisa, hello.
Salamat, sir.
Nagpalipad na naman yung boss ko nandun sa taas,
Hanggang anong oras ka nagla-live, sir?
Nagla-live ako minsan mga 1 or 1:30.
Oh.
Tapos nagre-relive ako ng 4 a.m. to 7 a.m.
Bakit, sir? Bakit?
Kasi hindi ako makatulog eh. Kakaisip.
Sana all may isip.
Wala! G! Thank you! Grabe naman si G! Thank you so much, G! Nagpa-tricycle lang aking friend na napakabait. Mabait talaga yung friend ko.
Hindi, pinaplastic ka niyan. Kilala ko yan.
Hala!
Aminin mo na yung totoo, G.
Aminin mo magkababata kami, sabay kami nagpatulin yan.
Umaming ka na. Ginagaslight mo lang talaga si Drin. Ginagaslight ka lang yan.
Ginagaslight. Ay, Laika!
Sinendan ko siya ng 2 tricycle, maniniwala ako, Drin. Kapag sinendan ka niya ng 2 tricycle.
Pag sinendan niyo daw ako ng tricycle, guys, ayan guys, malaking tulong yan sa campaign ko. Sana matulungan niyo ako. Ay, sana bumili rin kayo guys ng ni Bricks. Pag pinromote ko na yan, bumili rin kayo sa akin guys. Para may commission naman ako kay Bricks.
Totoo.
Magkano ba ang natin?
8%.
8%? Sige. Papadalan mo ba ako, Bricks?
Kung okay lang sa'yo, sana.
Oo naman, syempre. Gusto ko nga promote ng mga ganong ano. Ano ba yung mga, ano ba yung mga items mo?
Ano, tawag dito, sando, polo, t-shirt,
Ay, yun. Ano ba yung mga yung papadala mo?
panty.
Sige. Ipapromote natin yan. Malapit namin. Ala guys, ang dami nyo na dito guys. Ngayon lang ako nagka-viewers ng 80.
Ayan, sasabihin nila sa tag dito, guys, hindi lumuluwag, oh.
Guys, ano to, hindi to luluwag. Masikip pa rin to. Ay, okay lang ba? Maglaro lang tayo.
Ano, meron akong pupuntahan.
Sige, last game tayo bago ka, ano.
Oo. Ano daw?
Last game tayo.
Ano daw?
Last game.
Last game.
Sige. Kailangan manalo man lang tayo kay Bricks, guys, para hindi naman nakakahiya, guys.
Hi kay Honey
Hindi naman pupuntahan mo.
Thank you sa nagpa-follow, guys.
Christian Martinez. Ay, may nagsasabi Christian Martinez doon. Ano ba yun? Siya ba daw yung jowa mo?
Tanong niyo siya.
Ay, grabe kayo, guys. Huwag nyo, malay nyo, mayroon siyang ibang, gusto. Hala.
Ay kay Raisa. Wala akong ibang gusto. Grabe ka naman.
Wala ba? Wala kang ibang gusto.
Tutupin pa ako sa
Ay, guys, alam nyo na, sinagot na niya, wala daw siya ibang gusto.
Ay kay Angelo, thank you so much.
What's up, guys? Wait lang, lipat tayo ng pwesto. Medyo mainit dito sa pwesto ko eh. Uy, ano nga, Bricks, ano mo ako?
Mayaman kayo.
Ha?
Taga-South ka, di ba? Mayaman kayo.
Taga-South ako. Ikaw ba, taga-saan ka ba, Bricks?
Taga-North. Taga-Sampaloc lang kami.
Ha?
Taga-Sampaloc lang kami.
Sampaloc. Oh, malapit lang pala eh.
Kasi daw yung mga taga-South, mayaman daw yun eh.
Mahirap lang kami.
Pero laging traffic sa sukat. Bad trip, di ba?
Oo, bad trip. Aalis ka pag madaling araw.
Kasi pag nagtatrabaho ka, nagkamali ka ng lusot, hindi ka na makapunta doon.
Ano na?
Pag nagkamali ka ng lusot dyan, wala na.
Oo. Saan ka ba madalas tumatambay?
Saan? Dito lang. Trabaho kasi pinupuntahan ko dyan minsan sa South.
Sino ba mga taga-South na friend mo?
Hindi ako friendly eh.
Oh guys, wala daw siyang taga-South na friend.
Bibigay ko pa yung mga address ng mga tao. ito kasi talaga, taga-South to. Ang address niya.
Ibibigay na po niya ni Bricks. Ayan, guys. Grabe.
Hala, nalaglag.
Nabugbog tayo dito, guys. Ba't gumawa ka ng dump, Para sa, ba to?
Hindi, kasi para dito pwede ako maghubad-hubad, mura-mura, ganyan, sayaw-sayaw, gano'n. Doon kasi sa kabila, bawal, maban.
Oo nga, sayang dami na followers yun eh.
Kaya ayun. Sino kasama mo sa bahay?
Ako lang, solo lang. Panoorin mo mga content ko.
Sige mamaya, sir. Doon ako
Hindi ka busy. Pero friend ko si kilala mo?
Sino? Ay, oo, kilala ko.
Kilala mo, wag na natin bagitin. Baka kilala mo.
Wag na. Baka kilala ko pa eh. Mahirap na.
Taga-South din.
Ay, ayoko ng mga taga-South. Traffic. Okay na tayo.
Ay, so, ayaw nyo ng mga taga-South kung sa mga dyan, lumipat na kayo ng North.
Oo, doon na tayo sa North muna.
Sa North muna kayo.
Traffic. Uy, gusto ko yung mga taga-South. Traffic lang talaga sa inyo, be.
Pag madaling araw. Grabe sa aming taga-South. Kaya nga, G, taga-South tayo, G. Yung friend ko dito si G, taga-South, ha?
May ka-date ako na taga-South. Kunyari, di ba? Magde-date ako ng taga-South. B, magta-traffic, B. Tapos ending kapag nag-away kayo, 4 hours biyahe.
Pauwi.
Yung mag-away.
Mag-meet kayo mga 3 a.m. walang traffic.
Oo, bawal. Para kayong kabit kasi kailangan madaling araw kayo magkita.
Tama guys, lalo na nung netong mga pyro musical dito sa may MOA, sobrang traffic. Yung papuntang MOA. Reggie, thank you Rafi. Hello guys, top guys. Opo, sobrang famous po yung natin, kalaban natin guys. Kaya
wala talaga.
Buti na-accept pa ako ng 3 rounds. So usually kasi isa lang isang best lang nagra-round yan.
Umiikot-ikot kasi talaga ako. Ang tanong kasi.
Oy, Risa, thank you! Grabe naman,
Grabe yun siya si Risa yan,
Ay, grabe si Risa, no? Thank you, Risa. Ayan, guys, paglaban niya kayo, panalo niya dito. Pa-shoutout Team Traitors. Team Traitors daw, shoutout.
Shoutout po sa Team Traitors.
So ano ba to? Hanggang ilang rounds ba ang kinakaya mo? Bricks?
Hanggang 6.
6, pero hanggang 3 ka lang ngayon.
Oo, kasi nakatapos na ako kanina. Nakatatlo na ako kanina.
Ay, grabe.
Oo, dun kasi magkakaiba yung kasama ko kanina. Oo, 3 yun.
Grabe naman pala. 3? Sabay-sabay?
Hindi,
mo?
Niya. Hi kay Andrea, thank you so much po.
Minsan i-invite mo ako pag kasama mo si Queen D.
Go.
Para makausap ko naman si Queen D. Alam ko pa naman, hindi yung kapatid ko. Yung kapatid ko parati nanonood din ng mga...
Kasi hindi ako dito nagla-live kasi noon sa kabila.
Ha?
Sa kabila ako nagla-live.
Saan ka ba nagla-live?
Sa kabila, kapag mga dito kapag nangungulit lang ako.
Okay. Ayaw mo na.
Ayan, sige na. Mag-iipit na ako. Maghahanap na ako ng mga pasaway sa daan.
Sige. Salamat, Bricks. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Stage na lang.
12 na da. So, matulog na ako. Joke lang. I love you, da. I love you too. Si Engineer Walden nandito. Namiss ako niya ni Engineer Walden. Love ako niyan eh. Love ka. I love you too. Hi, Engineer Walde. I love you so much. Hi, Ate Gems. I miss you. I miss you too. Asan si Christian? Alam nyo, i-chat nyo kaya. Lagi nyo sa akin hinahanap. Tingnan natin kung meron ng mga message regarding sa mga storya nila sa life. Ala, thank you kasi kanino nang galing to. Di ko natita. Hi, Jomar! And then a hero comes along with a strength to carry on. Di ko gusto yung kanta. Ay, lesson niya yan. At kahit hindi kayo kasal, anak at anak niya yan. At feeling ko alam niya yun. Kayo naman, kung may mga lalaki naman dito, kapag kayo nakabuntis o pag kayo gumawa ng make sure po na pananagutan ninyo. Kasi baka mamaya, iniwan nyo na lang, ano yung ginawa nyo? Trip-trip lang. Hindi yan, pinasok mo, nasarapan ka, nakabuo kayo, tapos iiwanan mo. Maawa naman kayo dun sa mga bata. Hindi nila deserve yun. Alam nyo, I think everybody deserves to at least eat 3 times a day. Tapos I believe everyone deserves to, have their own education. Para at least, meron lang silang gagamitin pagtanda nila. Parang just be decent. Just be responsible with what you've done. Sorry, naging seryoso ako dun kasi seryoso yung problema niya. Wala po akong kwento ha. Nag-hi lang po ako. Sino yun? Pampasahan ko yung pangalan mo dito. I love you, Team Bricks. Thank you so much. Naiinis talaga ako. Ayan. Ito medyo meron tayong problema dito. Ayan. Itago muna lang po ako sa pangalang Zen. Matagal ko na po sanang gustong sabihin sa mga magulang ko na hindi ako straight. Kaso, pastor yung papa ko. Natatakot ako baka i-criticize nila ako at hindi tanggapin. Any advice? Well, first and foremost, kailangan you are prepared. Kasi it's hard to go out of the closet if hindi ka prepared. Tawag dito, don't get pressured around you. Kasi minsan, pag nape-pressure tayo or pinipressure tayo ng mga tao na kailangan ka na mag-out, ganyan-ganyan, don't be. Hayaan mo sila. Kasi maraming ngayon, especially sa social media, ang ginagawa nila, kapag cute o kaya medyo malambot o kaya naman feeling nila bakla, they will ask, bakla ka ba? Are you straight? And sometimes, they're not comfortable going out. Kasi nga, there are problems on their own. Tapos, hindi pa nila yung nafi-fix. So, basically, let them have their own timing kapag mag-out na sila. Kasi, ang daling sabihin ng go out and be proud. Dali. Kasi wala tayo doon sa sitwasyon ng ibang tao. Kasi ang daling sabihin na, ay sige mag-out ka na, ganyan okay lang naman. Sa'yo, okay lang. Pero sa pamilya ba niya okay? Paano pag hindi? Kaya nga, hindi talaga magfo-fall sa hands natin ang pag-out ng ibang tao. Kasi it's not your problem to share, to tell. Saka it's not your secret to tell. Hindi ikaw ang mamumblema niyan. Hayaan niyo siya. Tapos kapag hindi pa niya inamin sa'yo, it means hindi niya inamin sa'yo. Wala kang karapat ng ikalat yan sa iba. Tapos, balik tayo sa problem niya. Sabi niya kasi, gusto niya daw mag-out, kaso natatakot siya, baka i-criticize siya. Well, hindi kasi natin pwedeng malaman kung ano magiging reaksyon ng magulang mo kung hindi natin sasabihin. And you can feel it. Feeling ko naman, mahal ka ng parents mo. And wala namang ibang tatanggap sa atin kundi yung magulang din natin. At some point. Kasi may mga times na hindi tayo tanggap ng magulang natin. So that's not all the time. Pero ikaw kapa. Just make sure lang na whatever the outcome is, you are ready. Kailangan mo lang i-ready yung sarili mo. Kasi kapag hindi ka ready, magbe-breakdown ka and that's not good for you. Yun lang siguro yung ma-explain ko sa'yo. Parang, just prepare yourself with the outcome. Kasi, una sa lahat, walang madali. So, if you think na hindi mo pa kaya, wag muna. No one is forcing you to go out of the closet. And it's fine. So, yun. Wag nyo nang pahirapan yung ibang tao. No? Hirap na nga sila. Ipipressure nyo pa. Pressure cooker ka ba? Hindi naman, di ba? Ay, kay Dana, thank you so much po. Ay, kay GCS, thank you pala sa nagpa-follow. Pwede mag-share. Oo naman, Engineer Norms, mag-send ka lang dito. Send mo dun sa IG ko. Nasa tamang panahon yan eh. Naka-share na po ako, sabi nila. Hindi kasi lahat pumapasok. Ang dami kasi. Tapos may nagtatanong sa amin dito. Kayo po ba ni Lon? Hindi po. Paano po si Chani? Ate, adik ka ba? Talagang pini-M nyo ako ng ganyan. Oh, okay, nasagot ko na. Oh, okay na. Next question. Di pa rin talaga nakamove on. Okay, Dad. Tawagin mo na lang ako sa pangalang Cutie. Paano mo ma-handle ang sitwasyon na hindi ka nakikilala ng taong mahal mo? Hindi ka nakikilala ng taong mahal mo. Ay hadkasin po kasi kanina lang nangyari yung papa niya, hindi niya nakilala. Wait, isa pa. Hindi ko nagigets. Saglit lang, isa pa. Hindi ko naintindihan. Dad, tawagin mo na lang ako sa pangalang Cutie. Paano mo ma-handle yung sitwasyon na hindi ka nakikilala ng taong mahal mo? Okay, hindi siya So may amnesia. Tama ba? I had cousin po kasi kanina lang nangyari yung papa niya, hindi na niya nakilala. Ate, kulang to, hindi ko naintindihan. Sorry, pasensya ka na. Feeling ko ako may kasalanan. Pa-type ulit kung ano nangyari, te. Kasi, 2 sentence lang, tapos bitin. Ito. Sabi ni Malu, kasi nakikita po namin siya sa bahay niyo minsan. Malamang ti, andyan yung products niya. Si Bopis naman. We share the same warehouse, te. Diyan sa Maseda. Kayo para kayong bago ng bago. Okay, ito naman. Ang ganyan ng tatay ko nung isang araw. Dementia. Hindi ko alam, wala pa. Kapag nagsabi dito kung dementia or amnesia. Kasi ayoko mag-jump into conclusion kung hindi naman natin alam. Kahit na alam mo. So pag nandito pala si Justin, kami na din. Lagi rin sa bahay si Tinte. Naglalagay ng anong pangalan nito? Nagsusukat ng anong tawag doon? Kasi, good news pala. Maglalagay na kami ng ilalagay na yung tarpaulin. Signage. Maglalagay ng signage. Guys, ganyan ako mag-tackle ng Prangka ako sa ganyan, mabilis akong sumagot. Kapag meron kayong tanong sa akin, mabilis akong sumagot. You can just ask me, I can just answer it. Sobrang bilis. Papatagalin pa natin yung issue. Nasagot ko na yung tanong mo, ha? Okay. Uy, I like this message. Hi, Vrix! My name is Santino. You may not know me, pero I just want to share na kayo ng Team Bardagulan ang nag-save sa akin during my darkest moment. I was hospitalized last week ng June and naoperahan ako noong August. Kayo naging sandalan ko at lakas. I was really inspired and moved by you, especially you. I hope you continue making people happy and inspired. I will always support you all the way. Ay, ayatin ka, Unay. Oy! I love you too, babe. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Santino. I love you. Gusto ko yung ganyan. Hindi siya nagdududa sa akin. Love ko to. Ayan, thank you. Oy, ito. By the way po, the time is 12:24. The time is brought to you by, tada! Lux Beauty Smoothie Cantaloupe Melon. Thank you. Ayan po. At nagbabalik tayo sa Talk to Dada. Ngayon, if I were you po at meron po kayong problema, huwag pong kalimutan na maglagay lamang o mag-send po ng details sa aming iMessage or pwede rin po sa IG. Kung kayo naman po ay naniniwala dito po sa atin, pwede po kayo magsabi ng BBS Bricks and send to 2366 for Globe and TM subscribers. Joke lang. Biro lang. The OA. Okay, ito naman si Razel Jane Delera. Hi Dada, I have a lots of friends. Different circle. I'm always there, shoulder to cry on. Tagapakinig sa mga rants nila about life. Pero once ako na yung may kailangan, wala na akong masabihan. Nahihiya ako dahil ayokong dumagtag sa mga problema nila sa life. Sana mabasa. Ganun talaga. Hindi, kasi minsan, totoo yun ah. Like, for example, gusto mo talagang tumulong sa iba, you're always there. Pero minsan, ikaw na yung nahihiya kasi ayaw mong dumagdag sa problema ng iba kasi alam mo pinagdadaanan sila. And that's okay. Pero, I think, if you cannot share it, then rest. Kailangan mo magpahinga. Pahinga ka, be. Hindi sa lahat ng pagkakataon tayo magbibigay. Minsan kailangan mo ring mag-recharge. Kasi kapag di ka nag-recharge, tapos lalobat ka na, nasobrahan ka na, ending nito, wala ka nang kayang ibigay. Tapos ending na to, pag nasobrahan ka sa pagbibigay, ikaw na yung magkulang. Wala nang pupuno ng cup mo. Kasi lahat ng meron sa'yo, binigay mo na sa iba. Ang tawag doon, boundaries. Self-love muna, totoo. Ako kaka-self-love ko, nakailan ako. Unahin muna si self. Prioritize your family. Black ko nga to, pali. Hindi talaga siya tumigil, oh. O, tibosher ko. Wala. Ganon talaga. Siyempre, dinidisrupt mo yung inner peace. Ako kasi ganon ako. Kapag dinidisrupt mo yung inner peace ko, tapos for example, binabagabag mo ko sa mga bagay na walang kakwenta-kwenta, as much as possible, I remove myself on that situation and I make it to the point na hindi na kita makita or makausap ever. Parang self-preservation. If I were you, you do the same. Like for example, di naman nakakatulong sa inyo yung mga messages o kaya yung mga wala namang kakwenta-kwenta. Tapos wala rin namang ambag sila sa buhay ninyo. As much as possible, remove yourself from that situation. Block, move away, and then move forward. Ganun lang. Kesa naman magpa-apekto tayo sa mga ganyan. Mahirap din yun. Wala nang bago, be. Hi kay Honey Pie. Sasagot muna ako din, Black. Minsan kasi hindi nila deserve. Ako kasi may mga bagay na, for example, na-explain ko na. Ayoko nang paulit-ulit kasi nabobobohan ako. Nasagot ko na. Alam mo na yung tanong, alam mo na yung sagot dun sa tanong. Tapos parang hindi na nila deserve yung usap. Parang you don't deserve my explanation. Kasi uulitin ko, pag ayaw sa'yo ng tao, whatever you say, hindi nila yun maiintindihan. Kasi hindi ka nila gusto. Okay? So kahit anong defend ang gawin mo sa sarili mo, kahit anong effort ang gawin mo, linisin mo man yung pangalan mo or whatnot, they will never understand you because they don't like you in the first place. So sayang yung oras mo, sayang yung panahon mo, sayang yung pagod mo. Just move away. Okay lang yan, move on. Kasi for example, kung lahat ng bashing, sasagutin ko, kakausapin ko, i-entertain ko, mapapagod ako. Diba? Nakakapagod yun. Tsaka I don't owe anyone an explanation. Nanay ko, hindi ako nag-i-explain sa'yo pa. Dito nga ako sa cellphone. Medyo mabagal yung ano. Uy, ang ganda nitong sinabi niya. Ayan. Yan lang nagpapasaya sa akin. Pag malungkot ako, Dada, yung mga kanta mo at pag pagod ako, kanta mo lang yung gusto kong napapakinggan. Kasi siya lang nagpapawala ng pagod ko tsaka ng stress ko. Salamat kasi lahat ng kanta mo, Dada, may meaning sa buhay. I love you so much. I love you too. Kasi minsan may mga bagay akong hindi na-express. So, doon ko siya nilalabas sa kanta. Hi Dana, thank you so much. Kasi for example, ako minsan, nakakalimot ako ganyan. So, kaya gumagawa ako ng kanta para at least, pwede kong balikan yung kanta na yon. Tapos, ayun. Hi Venus, thank you so much po. Maraming salamat. Hi Batusay! Wala yung tulog umalis. Saan nagpunta be? Uy, thank you pala sa nagpa-follow dito. Ilan na tayo? Ala! 117 na tayo be. 111,700. Guys, i-follow nyo ako dito. Yung mga tao dyan sa labas. Dali, hindi nyo naman ikakayaman. Asan si Johnny? Tinago ko. Ilagay ko sa ref. Para pag nilabas ko malamig. Kaya ako, binlock ko sila para di ako ma-stress. Totoo, te. Block mo para di ka ma-stress. Nakakapagod. Pagod yung laban ng laban. Totoo. Kapag ikaw kasi may trabaho ka, may ginagawa ka sa buhay, nakakapagod yung palagi kang totoo, Ate Libay. Kaya sa'yo ako i-block mo na lang. Kaya sa'yo makipagtalo ka pa dyan, te. Talo-talo. Sayang effort. Kung tinulog ko na lang, di may muta pa ako. Sayang naman ang mota. Ay, uy Rachel, thank you so much. Sa Rachel lagi itong present eh. Pero nakikita ko yung may pinupost siya. May crush kasi siya dito sa TikTok. Sasabihin na maniwala ka, maniniwala kundi sarili mo. Ay Dada, love you po. I love you too. Hi kay Bea Cruz. Choose to be kind. Sometimes it is better na wala than being right. Hi Vrix. Yes. I'll try my best to be kind. Kaso kasi talaga sinusundo nila yung pikon ko. Minsan talaga, I'm really trying to be kind. Walang problema sa akin yun. I really try my best to be kind. Pero kasi minsan kasi talaga sinusundo nila yung pikon be. Kaya ayun. Bulawat siyang magpapatunay na ano po sa totoo lang, feeling ko talaga mahaba pasensya ko. Inubos nyo lang. Minsan talaga be, mahaba naman talaga yung pasensya ko be. At totoo lang, buo talaga ng pasensya ko. Nagugulat ko, nauubos ako. Nauubos nyo? Ay, Venus. Wala. Grabe naman kayo naman. Kundi sarili mo. Sorry, Da.
I'm just sing sometime.
Okay. I think everybody standard is you guys. They love fair skin. They like tall guys. They like the eyes. Almost everything about Korean, they like it. The culture, the K-drama, the K-pop, everything, they like it.
Oh, really?
Yes.
So just they are always finding Korean guy and they're like,
ayan, naubos na ti. Wala na akong masabing English. Back again. Asa na yung iba? Naiwan doon? Wait lang, check lang tayo ng family sandali. Okay? Sino pa pong naiwan? Andito ba lahat? Attendance check. Nawala. Attendance check. So, nawala sila. Ayan. Hi kay Honey Pie, never umalis. Nakabalik na. Puro Korean yung nandito sa ano ko, no? Pag ito Korean, di ko na alam. Nauubos na yung English ko, te. Di ka iiwan. Nawala, te. Te, nabagsak, te. Wala na, te. Malis. DJ siya. Hindi nawala na ano nalaglag. Feeling ko ano yan. Parang sa net. Baka mabagal yung net ko. May pitik, ayoko. Ho, hindi! Naiwan si Ate Lisa. Hoy! Nang gabi, mga katawan at hindi na mapakali. Alam kong ikaw lang ang tanging gusto. Huwag mag-alala kung bahala sa'yo. Dito pa din. Hi kay Julie, thank you so much po. Brixie, shout out sa West ng buhay ko, Random Bros. I love you so much. Tara, iniisip ko magpa-buzzcut. Tingin mo, magpa-buzzcut kaya ako? O kaya ano, semi-cal. Semi-cal na lang dito. Huwag semi. Ano dapat? No po. Eh di wag. Army cat. What if kiss mo ko? Char. 4 years no calls. Faded Dada. Shout out sa West ng buhay ko. Ng Random Rose. Hi Engineer Norms. I love you. Can't stop. So baby, pull me closer in the backseat of your Rover. You can afford by the tattoo on your shoulder. Hi.
Oh, hi.
Hi. 안녕하세요.
Oh, where are you from?
I'm from the Philippines. Where are you from?
Oh, Philippines.
Yes.
Oh, welcome. Yes. Oh, match. Let's go, Philippine friend.
I'm sorry. Come again.
Oh, Kabayan.
Kabayan.
Hello,
yeah.
Kabayan.
Yes. Hi, Kabayan.
Kabayan. Hello.
Hello.
Okay, hello. Wow, you are very famous. So many people.
Do you sing?
Oh, you're so many people viewer.
Yeah,
Wow.
they were just tambay. They were not doing anything, so they're here.
Oh my god.
Do you sing?
Music?
Sing.
It's me?
Yeah.
Just a rapper.
You don't?
Just hip hop.
Ano do ate?
You know rap? Hip hop.
Ah, rap. Yes.
Yes. Oh, now into the breakdown.
Yes. Oh,
Yes.
That's nice. Do you dance?
Good job. Oh, Philippines where? Cebu and Manila where?
From Manila. Have you been here?
Manila. Wow, I want to go Manila. Yes.
Oh, you never been here? No.
Do you go in Korea?
Soon. Next month.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Oh, why?
Work.
Proper?
Just work.
Work?
Yes.
What work?
Promote Korea.
Oh, what's your job?
I promote.
Promoter.
Yes.
Ah, really? Wow, very nice.
Thank you.
Wow. Good job.
What's your work? You?
I am a fitness model and fitness trainer.
Oh, you work out every day? No.
But every day, yes.
Every day.
Yes, every day. But yesterday, today, sick, no workout.
Oh, you're sick today, so you don't work
Yes,
out.
yesterday, today, a little sick. Oh my god, everyone, 18 people, everyone, Leo team. 18 people, 18 for us. Oh my god, Josalia, my Philippine friend. Yes, thank you so much.
Nuggets.
Yes, everyone, double point.
Ano kasi Ate Jenny naghanap ng abs?
Oh my god, welcome. Wow, thank you, Donut. Wow, Harinya, thank you so much, Harinya. Wow, Harin. Wow, real cake. Today, real birthday, Harin. Oh my god, Harin, thank you so much. Oh my god.
Ganyan na lang.
Wow, Harin, thank you so much.
Ganyan, oh. Ano?
Yes, oh my gosh, yeah, Haegyo. Wow, Haegyo.
Ati lumabang pati.
Oh my god, Haegyo! I'm very touchy!
Wow, Haegyo, thank you so much. Oh my god,
Parang kala ko yung abs to yun.
Wow. Oh, Guardian, welcome. Wow,
Hey, I love you.
everyone. Be careful. Wow, Haegyo.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, really.
May pitik din
Yes,
siya.
everyone, we can do it. Tapping, thank you, everyone.
Hindi naman ako.
Oh, Guardian, hello.
Guys, nuggets avocado. Avocado tayo, please.
Guardian, hello.
Thank you so much, Clea.
Yes, everyone, hello. Wow. Felix friends, so many people. Wow, oh my god. Wow, 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 everyone. We can do it. We can do it. Be careful.
Ate, nag-snipe to ate.
Hi, pal Leo. Yes, everyone. Welcome, welcome. Hello. Follow, please, everyone.
Thank you for following us. Thank you so
Follow,
much.
please, everyone. Leo team. Yes, everyone.
Kanya-kanyang pitik.
Welcome, welcome.
Anong boat? Puputungan kita sa boat.
Hello, hello. Kabayan, kabayan.
Never lumipat.
Wow, he's glove? Oh my god.
May snipe ko, sinasabi ko sa'yo. Hindi yan papayag.
Wow, wow, wow. Everyone, Leo 3 win. Let's go, everyone. We can do it.
Snipe ko ba?
Wow, yes. Leo is so very strong.
Iwan na
Wow.
ako dito nang wala sa oras.
Oh my god, everyone. Glove time, glove time. Use glove time, everyone. We can do it.
Snipe yan, te. Mag-i-snipe yan, te.
Wow, wow, wow. Use glove time. Leo team, we can do it. Let's go 3 win.
Mag-i-snipe yan, te.
Oh my god, Josalia. Nice time glove. Everyone, we can do it. We can do it. Oh my god.
Ate. Ayan na sa fight. Kinakabahan ako, te. Ayan na, ate. Ate. Ate, mag-i-snipe to, te.
Wow, wow. Hey, you. Everyone, we can do it.
Ayoko na ulit. Kinabahan ako.
Oh my god.
Watch.
Wow, Haegyo. Thank you so much, Haegyo. Thank you, Pirix.
Yo.
Yes, follow.
Bye-bye.
Oh my god, yes, thank you.
Napagod ako, te. Nakaka-stress pala yung mga ganyan-ganyan. Nakakape ko naman. Ayan, blue. Ano ba naman to? Hindi kasi talaga ako streamer, te.
Hello.
안녕하세요.
한국인이세요?
No, I'm just kidding. I don't know how to speak Korean.
welcome.
Where are you from?
I'm from Korea.
I'm a streamer. What do you do?
Me?
Yes.
Just same talking and match.
You're from South Korea?
Yeah, South Korea. You?
I'm from the Philippines.
Philippines?
Yes.
Oh, you
I'm
look
a
like
streamer
Korean.
in the Philippines.
You look like Korean.
Yeah, thank you.
Are you actor or singer?
I'm sorry?
Are you actor or singer?
I sing. I act a little. But I'm a streamer. I'm a streamer.
Oh, what? How long you have been stream?
I stream 5 years.
5 years.
I'm a streamer for 5 years, yes.
Because you have all of the viewer.
Yes, because I stream a lot. That's why they are always here.
TikTok 5 years?
Before TikTok, I'm already here. But I play games on TikTok.
Play game.
Yes. The games, the streamer games.
What game?
Mobile Legends. Do you know Mobile Legends?
Well, yeah. Last time my tier is higher, ranker.
Here.
Last time I live in Singapore.
Oh, you live in Singapore?
Yeah, 8 years.
8 years.
They're all the.
Do you know how to speak Chinese, Mandarin?
呀，我会中文一点。
A little.
Same as English.
You what do you do? What's your work?
I doing what's the English way? I make the application.
Ano daw te?
Website and application.
Oh, website application. I just stream here in TikTok.
I just start TikTok 5 months, 4 months, 5 months.
Oh, you just got here 5 months ago. That's nice. Paano yung sound nung...
How old are you?
Me? I'm 21.
Huh?
I'm just 21.
21?
Yes.
But stream 5 years?
Yes. Ito yung laro.
Hi, welcome everyone. Yeah, don't lie. Oh? You don't look like 21.
No, I'm 31.
31.
Yes, 31. Turning 35 tomorrow. Yes, I'm 35 tomorrow.
I'm 33.
No, how old are you?
I'm 33.
You're 23.
30.
You're 33. There's a lot of 3. You give me 1. You look like 18.
18? Thank you, bro.
Yes, you look like 18. Do you... What time do you sleep? It's already 2 o'clock in the morning there.
Later, after 4 hours, I finish drive and then I have to other work.
You have another work. What do you work other?
Make a website.
Oh, website. But right now, what's your other work? Here.
Don't lie.
No, I
Bro,
don't.
he have girlfriend.
No, I don't have girlfriend. Only...
Only?
No girlfriend.
So how many have you have girlfriend?
No one. No, nothing.
Liar. Yeah, okay, bro. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. 안녕하세요.
I follow you. See you next time.
See you next time.
Okay, thank you, bro.
Ano ba? Alam mo, gusto ko sana maging streamer kaso nasasakal ako dito, be. Ang sakit pala niya sa liig. Naalala ko na ba't di ko to ginagamit. Alam mo, tagal ko na nito eh. Pero hindi ko siya talaga ginagamit kasi ang sakit niya sa liig. Ay kay Charlie. Di ayaw niyang pumayag na 21 ako, te. Bago yun, oh. Diba 21 ako? Only what? Ano bang only what? Ituloy mo, dad. Only ano yun? Wala. Ayaw niya maniwala. Kasi ikaw, Risa, sa totoo lang, kaya lang naman di naniniwala sa kanya. Kasi kasalanan mo din. Sa ulo kasi yan. Wait lang. Kailangan ko nang ituloy-tuloy itong pagiging, streamer. Wait. Kailangan di. Ay, hindi.
Hey, what's going on?
Hello.
How you guys doing? You okay?
Yeah, but I don't want to do 2, so I'm gonna back out.
No, it's okay. No worries, Bree. Yeah, do your thing. Hey, Vrix, what's going on, man? How are we?
I'm good. How are you?
Yeah, not too bad, man. Just chilling, chatting, seeing who's up for a match. Hey, guys, please don't forget to double tap the screen. Hey, big up to everyone on the live. We're from the UK, Vrix. How about yourself?
I'm from the Philippines.
Nice, cool. Yeah, we network with a few people.
I'm sorry?
We network with a few people from the Philippines, yeah.
Oh, you've been working here? Have you been here before?
I haven't been there before, but I wouldn't say no to going there.
Okay. What do you do?
What do I do? We make football content and we make gym content.
Oh.
We're Arsenal fans. How about yourself?
I'm just all stuff here in the Philippines. Nothing fancy.
Yeah, just like culture, lifestyle sort of thing.
Yeah.
Good stuff. I appreciate everyone double tapping the screen. Can we get the win here, guys? Oh, we missed trebles.
Where you from? Where in UK are you?
Like central London, around that way.
Ay, alam ko yun. Tabi ng Central London Elementary School. Oh.
Hey, brother Reese, how you been, man? What's going on?
I'm doing good. So right now, what time is it? If I may ask.
Well, in the UK, no, it's currently, of course, it's just gone, just after 6.
After 6 p.m.
Yeah. That's it.
Because here it's just like 1 o'clock in the morning.
1 o'clock in the morning?
Yeah.
I imagine it's a lot more interesting on TikTok around that time. It's kind of quiet in England around this time, so we're just like that.
You don't have work today?
No, I work in the evening. I work with TikTok. I work for an agency.
Oh, for TikTok. You're working for TikTok.
Yeah, we work with Hey Honey. We do like the manager creator side, and we're just trying to build our platform more. So yeah,
that's nice. So you're like, are you, because in TikTok you have like, I'm sorry, never mind.
It's cool, man. I know what you mean. Yeah. So we do like football gym content in like our content creation.
Yeah.
And then like alternatively we help like manage other creators on the agency side. And then additionally we're trying to, you know, the more followers, the more traction, the more people you engage with, the more you build your like, you know, your community, and it's easier to market products and things. If I'm developing a football gym related product, then that's amazing. Everyone's interested in their subjects. So
you work out, yeah?
Yeah. Just finished, man. Just finished. Good day. That's cool. It's been a very good day. Routine, cardio, upper body, core. Try to do at least once a week. It's going pretty well.
That's nice.
My chat are telling me that you're famous in the Philippines.
No, not really. I'm just no one here. I'm just trying to do live. I'm just bored.
Humble guy. No, fair enough, man. Just doing your thing. Kayla, big up to see you. Abby, good to see you. So do you like make specific content, just lifestyle and Philippine culture?
Yeah, I actually sing. I sing. I dance sometimes. I have few single.
Oh, cool. Okay. Exciting stuff, you know?
Yeah, but all of those were like in our language, so you won't understand it.
I mean, I can transcribe it.
Yeah.
I mean, I can try. That's the beauty of it.
Do you sing?
No, we don't. We, on a rare occasion, freestyle, but we just have a laugh. We just banter. That's pretty much it, really.
Oh, do you dance now?
No, I can't dance. I mean, not yet. Not yet. Appreciate everyone double tapping the screen. Hey guys, we're
follow us and share the live.
Win.
Yes, what he said.
I appreciate that. Appreciate that. Jamel, good to see you, man. Yeah, we can dance. Can't dance. They're on the freaking in the air. So.
Yeah, what he said. Thank you so much. What's the weather there? Is it there?
Yeah, it's like a heat wave in England right now. It's like 18 degrees, something like that.
Is it already a heat wave on your end?
Yeah, it's probably pretty much as like hot as it gets. It's very good for like.
Yeah, here it's always hot.
I'm jealous, man. I'm jealous.
Yeah, it's like always 23 to 24 degrees outside.
I mean, you're lucky. You're lucky.
Yeah, it's hot. It's hot. I don't like it.
Yeah, I know what you mean. But Rix, man, you're a cool guy. I'll catch up with you again in future.
Sure, no problem.
Rix, have a good rest of your evening and all the best, bro. Take care.
Bye-bye. Ate, yung mga English niya, di ko naintindihan niya iba. Ate, wala akong naintindihan sa sinabi niya, ti. Anyari sa streamer. Napagod yung streamer, ti. Mag-streamer. Napapagod yung streamer. Ako din walang naintindihan. Yung totoo. Wala bang Pilipino dito? Pilipino po meron. Wait lang ito. Baka Pinoy. Mahirap pakipagbardagulan pag hindi Pinoy, B. Sabi siya dyan ang worth it. Podcast na lang. True or false ang sagot. Ginaya niya yung English. Totoo din. O minsan kasi di ko maintindihan. Feeling ko ang problema nasa atin. Wala sa kanila. Tayo talagang may problema kasi di natin naintindihan. Importante o pakadindada. Hi, Dave! I miss you! Wala, Joe. I miss you. Absent kasi ko nung English. Totoo din. Mag-sing ka na lang. Anong isising ko? Dali. Anong gusto mong ising? Anong isising natin? Kantahin natin yung Dilaw. Kantahin natin yung Dilaw. Okay, 1, 2. Dapat love song. At ang hirap